Oh, my love. Sunday na naman. Trabaho na naman bukas. So, anong gagawin natin? Gusto ko lang maligo ng mga 30 minutes. Tapos uwi na. Sana hindi na malamig ang tubig. Otherwise, hindi makaligo. Bagal bilisan nga. Ang hali na Parang malamig pa yung ano ng hangin. Wala. Bahala na. Na. Oh, 11 na. Ang aliwalas tingnan ng Abu Dhabi pag walang traffic.
I should have seen it coming for the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us.
Eto na naman tayo. Parang silent movie. Buti pa nga si Mr. Bean. Tumatawa minsan. Or kung ano-ano na lang ginagawa, ikaw para ka ng, oy! Salita ka dyan para matuwa naman yung mga nanonood sa'yo. Alay! Ayaw talagang magsalita. Ewan ko kung anong meron nitong tao na to. Buti na lang may kape. At least matanggal yung laway niyang napapanis na. Yan sa bandarian yung Philippine Embassy. Ano to? Sarado? Sarado. Dito tayo dumaan. Sinarhan nila yun May makakalabas dyan. Dito tayo. Ang lalaking bahay nito. Grabe. Daming sasakyan. Ito na ba yung adlock? Oo. O, diba? nila ng ano to, ng phone. Ha? Huwag mong sabihin pa dediretsuhin mo. Yun lang. Pati ba doon? Sarado. Hanap ang keke. Traffic ah. Nangyari dito. Dito tayo dumaan, tapos dire-diretso na doon. Huwag tayong pwede ring ano, kumaliwa, tapos kanan na doon. Ano na lang. Doon, diretso ako doon. Tapos kaliwa. Maya may traffic pa rin dyan. Huwag na. Oo, roundabout yan. Doon na lang tayo dadaan dyan sa roundabout na yan. Bante.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you
Sakto, alas 7.
everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't breathe.
Let's go. Ito yung
You don't
papunta ng Hudariat. Bagong maganda na dyan. Siguro mga after mga few years pa dyan, fully developed na yung area na yan.
so. My heart was shattered when it took the hit.
Dito ako laging tumatambay pag nalulungkot ako. Pag naaalala ko yung mga nakaraan, lalo na yung mga pinagkakautangan ko.
Hindi nga.
Pero lahat naman sila nabayaran ko. Wala naman akong utang na iniwan o tinalikuran. Siyempre, alam ko din naman yung hirap ng kumita ng pera, ano? Hindi katulad ng mga iba. Tamaan akong tamaan ng iba dyan. Wala akong pakialam. Nagsasabi lang ako ng totoo. So, ito, saglit. Ano muna tayo dito? Tambay. Bago, may 9 minutes pa tayo eh. Mag-open ng alas 7 yung ano eh. Yung tawag nito, beach.
We could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't leave room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy and getting heavier still. If you need or want me, never too hard to find. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side, you and I.
Yeah! Punta na tayo dun. Sa beach. Subukan natin maligo.
In the calm of twilight, when your night's been so long, you try to do right, but everything turned out wrong.
Sana may paparkingan pa dito.
You're never too hard to find. I know the places that you like to hide, and we'll go there side by side, you and I, our breath dancing into the night. Sometime the gardens you water survive, you and I, and the love that you nurture will thrive.
Tara na!
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy